So, I'm at Windrock. It is October, and I was supposed to be in the Keys. However, with Hurricane Milton, that trip ended up getting canceled. And so, as the hurricane passed, I decided to head up to Windrock, and I wanted to check out this new section of lower reach around. So, there's a few different ways you can get to it, but this is going from Cave Boy to Snake Rock.
All right, hard left
and
here.
Then you'll come at the lower section of Snake Rock, you'll come to this junction where several trails come together, and then you'll see the new bridge that's been added in here, and you'll be on this new section of lower reach around. Really cool, lots of flow, some great berms, some great stuff to double. The first day that I was riding, it was a little slow and a little soft, and just kind of getting used to things, but you can definitely see the bones of this trail are going to be really fun once it gets bedded in. And by Sunday, it was running a lot faster. I really like some of the steeper sort of sections that dip down. It's really cool how you kind of get close to the wall in a couple places, but I think this is going to end up being a fun exit trail out to the last little trail that goes back down to the shuttle pickup. The trail itself it's mostly groomed, and then when you get towards the end, it's a bit, I guess they're just going to kind of let it rut in with people, but really cool. And you know, we ran this several times, and then I'll show, after this particular run, I'll show the last bridge on Talladega that you can cross under and get to this lower reach around section as well. So the next run that I have is pretty funny. We on the first shuttle ended up seeing on Saturday, ended up seeing a bear, a big black bear up at the top. I think he was going for the trash can, and me and Jordan kind of followed where we thought that he went. But later in the day, you'll get to see in the next run, Mr. Black Bear had worked his way down to lower reach around, and so I won't talk through that section of the video so you can hear some of the funny interactions. We were all pretty scared, and you know, kind of deciding who was going to get to go first. But I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, this is that lower Talladega bridge, which you could get to any, you can basically take any trail on that side, whether it be Trail 1, Talladega, Caveman, whatever. I'm going to stop talking so you can hear this funny interaction.
There's a bear down there. Oh, how big?
What's that, bear?
Yeah, we couldn't get it to get off the trail. How much fur?
Certainly.
All the way to the bottom. A long halfway.
We couldn't get it to move.
Yeah.
It was just sitting in the middle of the trail.
Literally.
Huh.
Yeah.
Well.
No. And there's no good way out, like once you're down there.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, a bear up in the middle of the trail.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we couldn't get it
back up because there's.
We were like yelling at it, like trying to get it to move. We couldn't get it to move.
I was like, oh fuck, I can't stop.
Yeah.
That's how we felt, man. We were from ear to ear.
Yeah, but it wasn't like right here.
Yeah.
How much further? Like a flatter section.
There's gonna be one more guy coming down.
Is there?
Yeah, he's right there.
We could all just ride at the same time and just keep it out.
Yeah, you want to all go and just
Strength in numbers. What kind of bear is it?
I saw a big black bear this morning. It's a big group, see if we can get to move. Is it a big black bear?
I'll get on video.
Yeah, who's the slowest one?
Who's the slowest one? Everybody got any snacks?
Yeah, just keep going. You should be good.
There's a bear up there.
There's a bear like in the middle of the trail.
Well, who's going first?
You guys want to go as a big group?
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you GoPro this.
Is it too far back or down?
He's way down there.
Yeah, he's down there a little
But
way.
once you get down there, there's
You may go first, that's solid.
no option.
Y'all know where it's at.
Yeah, I'll go first. Chase, I'm a little faster than you. You want to go second? I might be able to run away from you. Or I might be able to
I feel like going last.
You don't have to outrun the bear.
Yeah, it's going to be able to run you. That's all I got to do.
Are you around the corner?
Yeah, I'm like blind corners right now. Where is it?
It wasn't this far.
Watch out for that! Oh, thanks for leading the way, man. Dude, that was crazy. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah. Every corner is full straight.
Go for us, stop recording.
I'm so freaking dizzy now.